Hello guys, I'm going to try to draw my waifu. It's gonna be actually more than 15 minutes, so once this video ends, I'm basically going to draw her. So let's see what we gotta start out with. We gotta start out with her beautiful face. Oh, stupid thing. I need the eraser to be more bigger than just that. Let's see. She is kind of a purplish color, I think. Is she a purplish color? No, she's kind of like a pinkish kind of color thing. Is this the color? No, I think that seems a little too bright. I'm terrible at doing this stuff. I think right here is good. Well, I'm pretty terrible at doing this stuff. No. I'm drawing with mouse, so I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Fill in, you stupid thing. Okay. Oh shoot. Oh no, oh shoot, oh no. Okay, let's see if I can do this correctly. Why must drawing on the computer be so hard? If I only had that little pad thing that I could use to draw on dang it. Why must you do this to me? I cannot draw on this. I cannot draw. I cannot draw at all. I literally cannot draw at all on this app. I freaking can't. This is probably gonna take me a few weeks to do. Yeah, it's probably going to. Fill in, you stupid thing. Thank you. No. Dang it. Why must this be so difficult? I'm literally raging at this app right now. I mean, not app, thing, Rejig, I don't know. I am really terrible at drawing on this. So, Waifu, if you're watching this at 4 or something, if you can at least see it, then I'm pretty much terrible. Just admit it, people. I am terrible at drawing. Dislike the video if you have to. Just because I'm freaking a terrible drawer. It's been 5 minutes and I haven't even gone down to the body right now. It's been 5 minutes into the video and I haven't even done the body. Should be on the body by now. On paper I should be, but when I'm doing this, I'm probably not doing it. What? It's called Fire Applica. Hold on. Okay, I'm sorry. I had to help my sister with something. Let's see. What are we going to do? What are we going to do for my waifu? Trying to make it like really thick. Look how thick this thing is. Oh my god, that thing is really thick. Look how thick this thing is right now. Look how thick this thing is. Look how thick this thing is right now. Why must life be so difficult on me? Okay. Well, it's not exactly as I wanted it to turn out, but I think I can fix it just a little bit. What are you doing? What do you want? No, you're not. You can't look at us. You can't look at it. I'm joking. Oh, goodness. What am I mean? Okay, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna draw now. Let's see what her shirt color is. It's red. We need red in the house. We need red in the house. First, we gotta make her little scruffy thing. Like her little neck. And yes, I don't use layers, but on my phone I pretty much do. I don't know why I don't use layers on my computer. It's been 9 minutes. Oh my god, I'm almost out of time. Oh shoot, oh no. I can only record like 15 minutes. I can't do this. I can't do it. I won't have any time. like literally trying to concentrate like really, really hard to do this. But I cannot do it. I cannot do it at all. Do you know why I can't do it? Because I'm a freaking dum-dum. That's why. That's why I cannot do anything. I cannot do any purpose in life. Wait. I think I know a better way to do this. Make it a little dark. I think that's how I can do it. Okay. There we go. Well, she's not done just quite yet. We need her hair and yeah, her hair is gonna take a little while. So what's her hair color? I think it's around turquoise. Is it around turquoise? I don't know. I literally have no idea at all. I think this is her hair color? Is this her hair color? No, it's not her hair color. I think this will fit for now. I am apparently a terrible drawer. Do you know why I'm a terrible drawer? Because I always am. I'm just trying to like add some shine to okay, never mind. Never mind. I am not going to do that. Ooh, blur. What does this do? Oh, I think it kind of blurs like everything. Oh, it does. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, it's so cool. That's so cool. Now I gotta restart all over on this because this does not look like it should be. If you like us, come avoid us, but out beside us, no place to hide. Off you and fight us, that's nice. Join your nitrous and let's go. Destination, navigation, manifestation, feel the sensation. Surround the vision with communication, good but all determination. Down, your friends are silence, everyone tell you're afraid to this, but no one not know. Let's make an illusion,